today I'm doing a different video again, and this is another sort of sunlight dancer. Done a video of it and trying it out with a torch and an iPhone, but now I'm gonna see what's inside this because I'm pretty curious, and I'll try not to break it so we can use it again because some wheel is moving again. With that being said, I'm gonna need a light. So let's obviously gonna need a flathead screwdriver. This is a few years old, so it might be dusty inside it. I have no clue. So let's try it. Pretty old, it's been dropped a few times, so I would imagine it'll be opening really easy. You know what I mean, like I was doing it deliberately, it just falls down for no reason. Because that is coming out very easily. Just really curious what's inside this. Oh, that's what's inside. So as you can see, there's the northern bit inside it to make the thing move. There's the cabanas, I don't know what this stuff is, I'm not an electric person. It's the stuff that, I'm going to be careful that this doesn't snap off, but that's the bit that shines. So it looks like it plugs into here. Just shaking a bit so I don't break this. So looks like this plugs in, and then look, there's little wires as well, as you can see. I'm trying to show it. So, as you can see, there's little yellow wires. For some reason my Bob's favourite colour is yellow. My favourite colour is blue. Yeah, I don't know what those yellow wires mean, but hopefully it's still plugged in. As you can see, there is this little thingy. I guess plugs into the thingy, and this part that when the light balances to it, project for this to move. But let's actually plug this back in and test it out, shall we? Alright, if this thing will go back in. Right, manage to get this back in without this thing breaking. I don't know why this is not plugging in. Normally it would. I have not done nothing to this. Alright, this is perfect. Get in. I hope this video works because this is a very, very big. Oh God, it's messed up. Come on, go back together. Saying it's just an owl, so I've got many of these. Let's just still keep it as I don't know. It's still plugged in, so that's good. The wire but this is not going. Wait. Oh. Get back in there. Oh God, no. Should not chose this. Why can't I just take that out and buy that in? I wouldn't assume so, but let's do it anyways. get it. I think I've done it. I hope so. It's like dancing already. And just turn it light off. Like straight. Moment of truth. If this works or not. I don't want to say okay, thank you. This is my phone. Moment of truth. Yes, it works. So as you can see, it's working perfect, and we just opened up something that was kind of like, it's not electrical, but leave that dancing celebration. But I just shaking it a bit. I'm not shaking, it's just dancing. But yeah, this is what was inside of the owl. I'm never opening stuff again. But this probably is going to be. It's going to be really rare for me to do another what's inside, because it's stressful to put it back together afterwards. So yeah, that's the dancing owl, what's inside. As you see in the other video, this was the pumpkin. This has not been opened, so that's dancing as well. That's how bright my phone is. This is the red brightness. So yeah, now get my sunflower. This is my sunflower. This was my first one, probably like 2010 I got that sunflower. This is the only one I got, just for like doing it, but I'm pretty old right now, but these are the newest. So yeah, that's the video. It probably doesn't even work anymore. I did not open this one up. No, I don't think the sunflower works really. Oh, maybe it does. Yep, the sunflower working. But that's it. That's what's inside. That's inside all any sunlight dancers you see. That's what's inside them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the next video, and bye.